All right, so a little problem here in Pop Pop's workshop.
Nana was the problem.
Yeah, well, it happens. I'm having a hard time. This is kind of worn down a little bit, so I've had a couple pads that just came off. I didn't push them in hard enough, or
It's almost like that's worn down or something.
yeah, it could be a little worn down. Had Nana doing some sanding several months ago. It's been a while, so she learned from this, and we all can learn from this. Yeah, there was no sandpaper on here. She was wondering why it wasn't working very well, and so I took a look at it, and that's what she was sanding with.
To be fair, you normally set everything up for me, and it was not on there evidently, so it wasn't maybe
Nope,
entirely my fault.
Not totally her fault. That's true. I normally in the shop, I'll set everything up and just say, okay, it's ready to go, and here you go. And then I'll pull different sandpaper when it's time to change. But yeah, that's on both of us kind of. So if
So
you're
I
in the
can't
shop,
complain
no,
about the next tool that you're buying.
That's true. I think I can get away with the new interface pad, so we'll try that. Or it might be a new sander. We don't know. Nothing too expensive because, again, there's no budget for it. So we'll see. We'll see what happens, but we'll try the inexpensive route first because that's how we work in Pop Pop's workshop. That's what we do. So if you're in the shop and you have a setup where maybe you're setting everything up for somebody else in the shop and you forget to do that one time, things can happen. So hopefully you're not having boo-boos in your shop and finding out about the damage later. But we're going to get through this. No big deal. We'll fix it. And hopefully you're having a great day. Thanks for watching this video. We truly appreciate you taking your time to do so. And remember, you can do this.
I'm sure I can.